Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something truly special at the all-new 2025 BMW M5. This high-performance luxury sedan has been completely reworked for 2025, and BMW has taken it to a whole new level. If you're a fan of power, technology, and aggressive styling, this might just be your dream car. Let's start with the design. The 2025 M5 has an even bolder stance, featuring a wide front grille, sharp LED headlights, and aggressive air intakes. The body lines are sculpted for aerodynamics, and the flared wheel arches give it an unmistakable presence on the road. BMW offers a range of striking colors, including the signature Isle of Man green and Brooklyn grey. Sitting on massive 20 or 21-inch forged wheels, this M5 is as aggressive as ever. Now, let's talk about performance. The big news this year is that the M5 is now a hybrid. Under the hood, you'll find a twin-turbocharged 4.4-litre V8 paired with an electric motor, producing a staggering 738 horsepower and 737 pounds-to-feet of torque. That's right, this is the most powerful M5 ever made. Thanks to the hybrid system, it launches from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures incredible grip, and you can even switch to rear-wheel drive for that classic M experience. The 8-speed automatic transmission has been tuned for lightning-fast shifts, and with multiple drive modes, you can customize your experience from smooth and comfortable to full-on track mode. And for those who love pure sound, BMW has enhanced the exhaust system to give the V8 a deep and aggressive roar. Step inside, and you're greeted by a high-tech, luxurious cabin. The curved dual-screen setup features a massive 14.9-inch infotainment display and a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster. BMW's latest iDrive system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the new heads-up display keeps all your vital driving info right in your line of sight. The seats, pure perfection. The M-specific sport seats are wrapped in premium leather, with heating, cooling, and massage functions. Carbon fiber and aluminium accents give the interior a sporty yet sophisticated feel. And for those who love ambient lighting, BMW has taken it to another level with customizable LED strips throughout the cabin. When it comes to handling, the M5 is nothing short of brilliant. The adaptive suspension continuously adjusts for optimal performance, whether you're carving up mountain roads or cruising on the highway. And with massive carbon ceramic brakes available, stopping power is just as impressive as its acceleration. So, is the 2025 BMW M5 the ultimate performance sedan? With its insane power, cutting-edge technology, and luxurious interior, it's hard to argue otherwise. Let me know in the comments, so would you take this over a Mercedes-AMG E63 or an Audi RS7? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews. See you in the next one.